Have you ever pondered about the nature of your own existence? What if perhaps the essence of who you are extends far beyond the physical body that you see in the mirror every day? This is where we step into the realm of metaphysics, a branch of philosophy that explores the fundamental nature of reality. Now, why would anyone want to delve into such a complex subject, you might ask? Well, understanding metaphysics can unlock a deeper awareness of yourself and the world around you. It guides you towards self-realization, which is a cornerstone in yoga and personal development. Let's begin with a simple explanation of what metaphysics is. It is the study of what is truly real. Metaphysics seeks to understand the world and the universe around us, questioning what exists and how it exists. It challenges our perception of reality and encourages us to think beyond what we can see or touch. Now imagine applying this concept to your own life. You start to realize that you are more than just a physical body. You are an intricate combination of mind, body, and spirit, each part as real as the other. This understanding forms the basis of yoga, a practice that aims to harmonize these three elements. Yoga is not just about twisting your body into different shapes, it is a journey of self-discovery, a pathway to understanding your true nature. Through yoga, you can explore the depths of your being and connect with the metaphysical aspect of your existence. But how do you begin this journey of self-discovery? This is where coaching comes into play. A coach can guide you, providing tools and techniques to help you navigate your path. They can help you identify your goals, overcome obstacles, and achieve personal growth. Personal development is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process of growth and self-improvement. It involves setting goals, developing skills, and improving your mindset. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. In summary, metaphysics, yoga, coaching, and personal development are all interconnected. Understanding metaphysics can lead to self-realization, which is a key aspect of yoga. Coaching can provide the guidance you need on your journey of self-discovery. And personal development is the ongoing process of becoming the best you can be. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today. Begin your journey of self-discovery and personal growth. And remember, you are more than just a physical body. You are a unique blend of mind, body, and spirit, each part as real as the other. This is the essence of metaphysics, and it's the key to unlocking your full potential. So as we wrap up, take a moment to reflect on the fundamental nature of your existence. How can understanding metaphysics enhance your life? How can yoga and coaching support your personal development journey? And most importantly, how can you take the first step on this journey today? It's a fascinating world out there beyond what you can see or touch, so dive in, explore, discover, grow. And remember, the journey is just as important as the destination.